Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send a copy of your presentation on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon down below, which is the second option, and as you scroll down you are going to see that you have a vast variety of options concerning the templates that you can choose from. So click on the relevant one that you want to use, and then you should create your presentation by adding slides to it, and double tap to add your text, insert photos, audio recordings, videos, and so on. So if you are done with your presentation and would like to send a copy of it, all you have to do is clicking on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on the send a copy option. Now as you can see, you have many options. You can send it via airdrop, message, messenger, Gmail, and other social networking sites. As you can see, you have the chance to create a copy of it, to share it as a PDF file, or to save it to your files. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.